This video features standard and gourmet cooking steps for Singapore prawn soup LaMian. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current LaMian is now sporting a brand new look. Explore our other flavors in the range. What's unique about our Singapore prawn soup LaMian is that it features non-fried, thick, round and straight noodles as good as handmade, with a smooth and firm noodle texture with good standing quality. The soup base is made with our complete sauce. Singapore prawn soup LaMian is a premium noodle dish served in a rich aromatic prawn stock that's good for creating gourmet meals. In this video, we will show you how to prepare the standard and gourmet versions in a few easy steps. Here's what you need for standard cooking steps. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Add soup base and water and bring to boil. Step 2. Add noodles and low boil for 7 minutes. Loosen noodles and stir occasionally. There you have it! Singapore prawn soup LaMian is ready to serve. Next, we will show you how to prepare gourmet Singapore prawn soup LaMian. Here's what you will need to prepare gourmet Singapore prawn soup LaMian. These are some of the recommended ingredients to create a gourmet meal. You may also add ingredients of your choice. You may add crispy pork lard as desired. Watch till the end to learn how to make your own crispy pork lard. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Add soup base and water and bring to boil. Step 2. Add noodles and low boil for 7 minutes. Loosen noodles and stir occasionally. At the last minute, add prawns, pork, bean sprouts, kangkong and fried shallot oil. Lastly, garnish with sliced red chili, chopped garlic, fried shallot with oil and crispy pork lard as desired. And there you have it! Isn't it easy? You can now indulge or serve a delicious bowl of gourmet Singapore prawn soup LaMian anytime, anywhere. Now, here are the steps to prepare your own crispy pork lard. Step 1. Add water and salt in a bowl and mix well. Then, add pork lard cubes and soak for 15 minutes. Strain the pork lard cubes. Step 2. Add the pork lard cubes to a wok on medium-high heat. Fry continuously until oil is released and the pork lard turns golden brown and crispy. Sieve to separate the pork lard oil and crispy pork lard, and they are ready to use. Check out our website for more cooking videos.